haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and smash that like button, man. I drop consistent bangers. And if y'all haven't checked, go over and follow me on Instagram, man. I drop behind the scenes content. Now let's get into the video. All right, y'all. So this is y'all first time seeing it. Well, this may not be y'all first time seeing it, but got another one. Oh, y'all finna be mad at me, man, because I ain't get that M3, but skip that M3, man. This gonna bring me a lot of money, gang. I'm finna show y'all what. Ambient lights. Roof. Finna show y'all what right now. Shit! This is why, man. Got the third row seating, bro. This joint got 7 seats. This joint is about to make me some money, so I ain't tripping, man. That M3 coming soon. Y'all know that M3 coming soon. And I'm not driving this home. I'm finna drive my cat home. Y'all see that joint? I got 2 of these now. This is a 2022. I got a 2023 also. Yeah, man. This ambient lights, because in my other one, I ain't have ambient lights. If y'all watch my other video, I was hurt because I thought it had ambient lights and it didn't. But I still got it anyways. This joint is crazy. CarMax is so easy to buy a car too, bro. I'm gonna just start buying cars up on CarMax from now on. Zayden. Yeah, I should have put you in that new thing. Yeah, man. No, these seats crazy. And the other one, I got black seats. This one, I got better seats, and I got the interior lighting. Oh my God. The only thing is, my other one is a 23, and this is a 2022, but it look crazy, bro. I got the little wood. Be prepared when you have kids, too. I'm telling y'all, bro. My son got on, he don't even got on the diaper right now. He got on tissue, bro. I would show y'all, but too explicit. Give me a high five. That's my boy. That's my boy. Got all this, man. Look at what he did to my car, y'all. This boy done got milk everywhere. What'd you say? Get in. Okay, come on. Hey, kids, make sure y'all credit right, gang. Davo done did it again. Again. You said what? Mama. Yo, mama in that car, boy. Chill out. You in that fast, ain't? You want to be in that fast, or you want to be in that? That joint low-key get up, too. So I can't say slow shit, but that joint low-key get up. But, of course, it ain't nothing to some shit like this. And my tire light is still on. I still ain't pump air in it. It's just so freaking dark outside, bro. Y'all see that joint, though. Bro, grade. Hey, your boy Davo making real investments, gang. Hey, bro, I got T-Move lights up in here, but I finally got the real ambient lights, gang. So y'all can't say nothing. My ambient's hard, though, and I got the freaking stars. My shit hard, so y'all can't hate on me. Pole. Hey, look, if y'all watching right now, too, this is exactly how I'm gonna know if y'all real, man. Comment Davo for the community, gang. Oh, bro, cause that's how I really be knowing if y'all be watching my instead of y'all just be fucking clicking through. We finna just get something to eat. I don't know where I'm gonna put this. I might put this in the middle of the video or something like that, but I'm just finna get something to eat, man. Appreciate y'all for always rocking with me too, man. I got more cars on the way. Right now, I'm in my investment mode, gang. I know y'all been wanting me to get something crazy again, but hey, you can't always get something crazy, man. You gotta make everything make sense. Like, I'd rather get 5 cars and have those 5 cars pay for a couple of my real cars. Cause shoot, these YouTube checks be decent, bro, but these YouTube checks can't pay crazy shit, bro. Just gotta keep on grinding on the tube and shoot. Hopefully one day, and we'll be able to, hopefully one day a month will make 20K a month, 10K a month, whatever, but as of right now, bro, this ain't how it goes, man. But I make my money elsewhere out of YouTube, so I just do this really for the love of it. I'm glad to say, man, I'm self-employed and I'm doing my own thing when I want to, bro. Because I could be with my son whenever I want. Ain't that right, baby? You ain't paying no attention, but yeah, man. Enjoy the video, because I know I'm going to add some shit after this, so I ain't going to be fucking rambling, gang. All Alright, y'all, so I really didn't even get to give y'all a proper introduction. So right now, I'm about to show y'all the actual car that I got. It's a 2022 Mercedes Benz GLB. This is really like a white interior, bro. But you could say tan on. I don't know what they really call it, but it's probably like a little tannish. But this joint really look white, as y'all can see by the camera. This interior is insane. This way better than the 2023 one that I got. And the main reason I got this vehicle, y'all already know, man, because I do Turo. If you know, you know. If you don't, then you sleeping, bro. And I do got another vehicle on the way as well. This joint got the ambient lights at nighttime. This joint is crazy, as y'all seen by the video. This joint really like fully loaded, bro. Got the whole sunroof. Got my baby back here, man. This joint dirty. I ain't been driving it, bro. It's just been sitting up in here. And this garage is dusty, bro. I gotta find a way to clean all of this. Yeah, this joint got the third row seats. Y'all want me to pull it up? This freaking seat all the way back. I will pull it up, but man, y'all already know, man. They got the third row seats. I ain't finna pull it up because that seat all the way back. So I'm just finna drive around for a couple minutes for y'all, so y'all can feel this joint. But this joint got sport mode, all of that, bro, all of that good stuff. And this is that thing. It's that thing that y'all seem to love. Big GLB, man. This joint is clean, bro. It's a clean daily. Clean little daily, bro. But this joint is literally going out in like 20 minutes. So really, I'm finna hurry up, get this little drive in for y'all real quick. All right, let's put this joint in sport. I'm so happy I got this one too, though, y'all, because this one got the ambient lights. Like, you could put them any color you want. Just don't sleep on this joint. Do not sleep on this joint. You could put them. Hey, man. Hey, just let me know what color y'all want, gang. Any color y'all want, I can put it. This joint just so freaking wet, bro. I just feel like blue, you can see it good in the daytime. All these other colors, you could barely see it. Like, they got random colors. But that blue, you could see that joint still in the daytime. My fault, King. No, I'm tripping. God dang. Driving this bitch down Avenue O like I'm crazy. God damn. They be low-key having speed cameras and shit too, bro. They put a lot of speed cameras in the city, man. So make sure that y'all watch what y'all doing, man. Watch y'all speeds. But like I said, man, this car is literally going out. I bought this car to make me passive income, bro. It'd be a police officer like right here all the time, lurking. Oh, whoa, whoa. Yeah, though, y'all, man. Just let me know how y'all really rocking with this joint. Y'all ain't got to lie to me, man. I know I've been telling y'all about that freaking M3 for so long. It's just been like, man, I want to get that joint, but I just got to make it make sense, brody. Gotta make it make sense. Chicago Fire Department. Yeah, though, y'all, man. I'm low-key loving it, though. I just feel like, though, man, you ain't gotta always go supercharged, V. You ain't gotta always go crazy, V, bro. As long as you comfortable with what you in. Like, this joint don't even got 10, and I'm over comfortable. Look. Oh! And this joint all-wheel drive, too. Of course, it ain't nothing that's crazy, bro. I don't even know how much horsepower, but I'm going to put it up right there, how much horsepower this joint got. But it's just a little daily little car, bro. Like, really ain't no YNs. Like, I had a couple of prime rentals and all of that, but ain't no real YNs renting out this car. Trying to do freaking 180 just like me. But with you, like, this probably the most that I ever even dogged this car out is right freaking now. This is probably the fastest I ever went. See, look at that little speed camera. Slow my ass down. That ain't even the speed camera. That's just for them to scare you, gang. Ooh. 1, 2, 3, go! Damn. Everybody on a Porsche just looking, bro. They ass not even paying attention to this joint. But if I was in that thing, they would have, damn, what is that? They would have looked up quick. This, you can't even really hear nothing, bro. That damn German engineer. German engineering. Ain't this shit German, or is it just fucking BMWs? I don't fucking know, but that love foreign shit, man. Cause I don't know none about BMWs. I don't know nothing about Benzes. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm strictly American, man. American made. Mopar. And I don't even think a lot of Mopar shit even made in America, bro. A lot of that shit made in Canada, too. They just be shipping shit out here. But I don't know how that crap work, because I know even a lot of stuff in America, bro. But I ain't gonna start yapping, man. I ain't gonna start yapping. But damn, that joint look kind of cold. I feel like I seen that. Oh yeah, I seen that joint earlier. Right down Ridge Road. That joint look nice. Let me know which all-wheel drive vehicle I should get next, because I'm finna be getting a lot of vehicles, bro. I am not gonna lie to you, bro. I'm finna just start getting dailies. Little simple little dailies and shit. Just a little skyrocket my business right now. I got 3 Turo vehicles, so I'm gonna just keep on going up, gang. I ain't gonna lie to you. Cause I had another one that I ain't revealed to y'all either, so I'm just get up with y'all, man. Hit that like button, hit that sub button. It's been boy Davo, and I'm out, y'all. Peace.
I gotta go out with a 30 extension. That's the bro by me, you know I get digits. FanDuel pay me 150. I do this in my sleep, I make it look easy. It costs 100 till they how I live. Flew to the D, met a bit and that live. You capping boy, need to get you a lead. I'm too busy laying and I'm swerving the wheel. I gotta go out with a 30 extension. That's the bro by me, you know I get digits. FanDuel pay me 150. I do this in my sleep, I make it look easy. I'm gonna be the man in my city like Peace. This model be wanna fuck, but she get teasing. I don't need no deal, bitch, my money been silly. But if you come with it, shit, I need 5 million. I just wrap me up about another 250. I'm finna go commit to all of my scale. You